The astonishing hideout that failed Derrick Groves. Derrick Groves, the last remaining fugitive from a dramatic case, was captured on 8 October 2025 Wednesday, after authorities discovered him hiding in a crawlspace beneath a home in southwest Atlanta. The 31-year-old convicted murderer, who had been on the run for nearly 5 months, was taken into custody following a tip-off to Crime Stoppers that led to a high-stakes raid by US Marshals and Atlanta police, reported AP. According to the US Marshals Service, the breakthrough came after Crime Stoppers Greater New Orleans received a credible lead about Groves' whereabouts. A joint operation by the Marshals Southeast Regional Fugitive Task Force and Atlanta Police SWAT surrounded the property before deploying gas canisters into the basement and crawl space. Deputy US Marshal Brian Fair told reporters that Groves had fortified his hiding spot, but the team flushed him out after repeated gas deployments. Police bodycam footage later showed Groves shirtless, barefoot, and smirking as officers led him into custody. Atlanta police confirmed that a K-9 unit assisted in locating him and that he surrendered without resistance or injury, according to ABC News. Groves' capture marks the end of a sprawling manhunt that began on 16 May 2025, when he and 9 others escaped the Orleans Parish Justice Center. Investigators say the inmates exploited a faulty cell door, crawled through a hole behind a toilet, and scaled a fence topped with barbed wire. While 9 were recaptured within weeks, Groves, serving a life sentence for a double homicide during a Mardi Gras block party, vanished. His disappearance embarrassed local authorities and raised urgent questions about the jail's integrity. He was convicted last year for a double homicide during a Mardi Gras block party and was sentenced to life in prison before his escape. CBS News cites officials saying Groves had modified the crawl space with wooden reinforcements and stocked it with food and water, indicating he planned to stay hidden for an extended period. However, experts note that such spaces are poorly ventilated and easily compromised by gas or canine searches. Neighbors reportedly alerted police after hearing movement beneath the property, prompting the tip that ultimately exposed Groves' hideout. Investigators believe he had been living there for several weeks. The New Orleans jailbreak revealed systemic lapses in oversight and possible insider involvement. Authorities charged a former jail employee, Dariana Burton, with aiding the escape by providing logistical support. A maintenance worker is also accused of tampering with plumbing to facilitate the inmate's exit. In response to public outrage, city officials announced a comprehensive security audit of the facility, including an investigation into staff conduct and infrastructure vulnerabilities. New Orleans officials have announced a full review of jail procedures, staff responsibilities, and design vulnerabilities in response to the public outcry. According to The Guardian, what happens next? Groves is being held at Fulton County Jail in Georgia, pending extradition to Louisiana, where he faces new charges for escape, conspiracy, and obstruction. Louisiana officials said additional arrests may follow as investigators pursue others suspected of helping him evade capture. His recapture, though dramatic, has reignited scrutiny over how one of Louisiana's most dangerous inmates managed to slip through a system already under fire for mismanagement.